How does opponent bet sizing reveal their poker hand range? Have you ever wondered how your opponent's bet size can give you clues about their hand? Understanding this can be a game changer in poker. Let's break it down. First, the size of a bet can indicate whether a player has a polarized or merged hand range. A polarized range means they are either holding very strong hands or bluffing. For example, if someone makes a large bet, they might have the best hand or nothing at all. They want to either get maximum value or scare you into folding. On the other hand, a smaller bet usually suggests a merged range. This means they could have a mix of strong, medium, and weak hands. They might be trying to keep you in the pot or control the size of the pot with a hand that is decent but not the best. Next, consider the board texture. A dry board, which has few draws, often leads to smaller bets. This is because strong hands are less threatened, and players want to extract value without scaring opponents away. In contrast, on a wet board with many potential draws, players might bet larger to protect their strong hands or to bluff aggressively. Another important factor is how often a player uses certain bet sizes. If someone consistently bets large only when they have strong hands, a big bet is a strong signal of value. But if they bluff frequently with large bets, their range becomes more balanced. Now let's talk about hand ranges and probabilities. A hand range is not just a list of possible hands, it also includes the likelihood of each hand. Bet sizing helps assign these probabilities. For instance, a large bet might increase the likelihood of premium hands and bluffs while decreasing the chances of medium-strength hands. When you see an opponent's bet size, you can start eliminating hands that wouldn't logically fit that size. A small bet on a dry board likely excludes very strong hands that would bet bigger for value. Conversely, a huge bet might exclude medium-strength hands that prefer to control the pot. Combining bet sizing with position, previous actions, and board texture sharpens your read on their hand. By analyzing these factors, you can narrow down their likely hands and make more informed decisions at the table. So, next time you are playing, pay close attention to how your opponents size their bets. It can reveal a lot about their hand range and help you make better choices in the game.